Hello everyone, this is page 44 of Alfred Basic Piano Lesson 1A. We have this play a fourth. This is just to demonstrate, it's a lesson song used to demonstrate the interval of a fourth. So let's say this is C, we have C, and this will be a F. Let me explain. C, D, E, and F. So you can go up a fourth or you go down a fourth. So you go up from C to F, from F to C, from D to G, from G to D. So the same thing on the treble staff. So you can do that. So let's hear what this sounds like. So let's see what it looks like on the piano. All right. Here we have this C, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. This is F, which is the fourth, and then we have D, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. This G, which is fourth from G, from C, from D rather. So let's hear this song. What it sounds like. So that's what it sounds like. I will play it one more time, and you just look at your book as you are seeing the piano. Okay, so it's gonna be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Thank you.